Good morning, students. Today we are moving to the next chapter as control structures. Okay, this is the sixth chapter of our Python programming book. Okay, here first of all we are entering into the introduction part of this chapter. Programs may contain set of statements. Okay, programs may contain a set of statements to be executed. Okay, in general, statements are executed sequentially. That is, the statements are executed one after the another. Okay, statements are executed sequentially means the statements are executed one after the other. Okay, this is the first in first out format. Okay, whatever it can be entered into the program is first means this will be executed as the first command of the particular program. Okay, we need to skip a segment or set of statements and execute another segment based on the test of a condition. Okay, this is called alternative or branching. That is, here we are using the set of statements to be executed as one after the other. This is the branching command. Okay, this is the branching. Branching means what? One after the other. Okay, for example, if you are considering one company means this company opening the another branch of this particular company in another one location. Okay, this is called the second company is called the branch of the particular head office. Okay, this is the branching statement. Also, we may need to execute a set of statements multiple times called iteration or looping. Okay, if the condition is executed again and again by using the looping statement. Okay, this is called looping. This is the introduction part. Okay, what is meant by control structures? Here we can discuss about the definition of control structures. A program statement that causes a jump of control from one part of the program to another is called control structure or control statement. A program statement that causes a jump of control from one part of the program to another is called control structure or control statement. This is the definition of control structures. These control statements are compound statements used to alter the control flow of the process or program depending on the state of the process. Okay, this is the definition of control structure. Okay, there are three important control structures are there. The one is sequential control structure, the second one is alternative or branching control structure, the third one is iterative or looping control structure. Okay, these three important control structures are available in Python. The first one is sequential statement. Okay, sequential statement means what? The statement will be executed one after another sequentially. This is the concept of sequential statement. A sequential statement is composed of a sequence of statements which are executed one after another. Okay, the statement will be executed one after the other is called the sequential statement. For example, a code to print your name, address and mobile number is an example of sequential statement. Okay, this is the example code of the sequential statement. Here I can print the two statements, that is print statement, insert the brackets using the double quotes to print the value as hello, this is Shyam. Okay, the second command is 43, that is age, second land, North Court Street, Tamil Nadu. This is the address of the particular student. Okay, here using the sequential statement means the first command, that is the first printing command, that is hello, this is Shyam, will be executed. Hereafter we can execute the second statement as 43 second land North Coast Street, Tamil Nadu. will be executed. Okay, the statements are executed one after the other inside the proper order. The second one is alternative or branching statement. In our day-to-day life, we need to take various decisions and choose an alternate path to achieve our goal. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we are taking more various decisions to choose an alternative path to achieve our goal. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we are making many decisions depending on our situation, money problems, to take decisions more and more. This type of decision making is what we are to learn through alternative or branching statement. Okay, this decision making, this kind of decision making is compared to the branching statement, that is alternative statement. Okay, the third one is checking whether the given number is positive or negative. Even or odd can all be done using alternative or branching statement. Python provides the following types of alternative or branching statements. Okay, Python provides the following types of alternative or branching statements. Means simple if statement. The second one is if else statement. The third one is nested if else statement. Okay, if else statement. Okay, the first one is simple if statement. Okay, simple if statement. Simple if is the simplest of all decision making statements. Okay, this is the simple if, how it can be executed. Okay, now let me discuss about that. Condition should be in the form of relational or logical expression. The syntax of simple if statement is, if inside the tag the condition will be given, and the second tag is statements. If means if here using the condition to check the particular part of the program, then if the condition is true, the statements will be executed. If the condition is false, the statement will not be executed. This is the concept of simple if statement. Now I can explain it briefly. In the above syntax, if the condition is true, statements block 1 will be executed. This is the simple example program of if statement. Here I can assign the value x equal to int. Here I can assign the values as 18, so I can use the int data type to assign the value. X equal to int of input of enter your age. This is the printing string of the particular program. If I can check the age is 18, okay, here by using the if condition, if x greater than or equal to 18, if the condition is true means the statement will be printed as you are eligible for voting. If the condition is false means the condition will not, this printing statement will not be executed. Okay, the first output is enter your age, means we can give 34. Then the output is you are eligible for voting. Okay, because the condition is true. Okay, the output 2 is enter your age. This here I can put 16, means the statement will not be executed. Then here it will be displayed as the 3 greater than symbols. Okay, because this condition will be false. Okay, then the printing statement will not be executed. Okay, if else statement. The if else statement provides control to check the true block as well as the false block. Okay, here I can explain it briefly. Here we can see the syntax as if inside the tag condition, the statements and else part and again statements. Okay, here we can check on condition level means. Okay, condition level means the first statement will be executed. If the condition is false means the else part again, that is the second part, that is second block, statements block 2 will be executed. This is the concept of if else statement. Okay, if condition, if that is condition, that is statements, that is block 1, else statements block 2. Okay. This is the main part of the if else statement execution. True, that is condition. True means if the condition is true means one side will be executed. If the condition is false means another one side is executed. Okay, if else statement execution. This is the concept of if else statement execution. Here this is the example program of if else statement. A equal to int of input of enter any number. This is the printing command. Okay, enter any number. Here I can check the condition as if a percentage 2 double equal to 0. Here I can print the value as a comma is an even number. This is the printing command, that is an even number. A is a value of the particular condition. Okay, else then print again another one condition, that is a comma inside the double quotes is an odd number. Okay, here if the program is executed means the first output, enter any number, that is I can give 56 means 56 is an even number, that is the condition will be true. Okay, if the condition will be false means, that is here again I can execute the program, enter any number, that is 67. 67 is an odd number. Okay, this 67 is an odd number. Here I can here the condition is false means the else part will be executed. If the condition is true means the first printing statement, that is a is an even number, will be executed. If the condition is false means the else part will be executed. Okay, this is the concept of if else statement. This third condition, the third statement is nested if else statement. Okay, this is the advanced version of if else statement. Okay, here I can explain it. When we need to construct a chain of it statement, then elif class can be used instead of else. The syntax of nested if else statement is if statement, that is condition 1, again statements, then again elif part, that is condition 2, again statements can be printed, again else part, again statement can be printed. Okay, here if the first condition is true means the first statements block is executed. Okay, if the first condition is false means the compiler can check the second condition, that is elif part. Okay, if the condition is true means the second statements will be executed. Again here the second condition is false means the else part will be executed, that is the last statements. Okay, the main concept of this one is if both the conditions are false means the else part will be executed. If any one condition is true means that true part of the condition will be executed. Okay, this is the concept of nested if elif statement. Okay, here how it can be executed. The text expression of if false means true. Okay, if the condition is false means test expression of elif. Again it can be tested by tested as another one variable, that is second condition. Again it will be true means the second condition is true means the command will be executed. The second condition is false means again we are execute the else part. Okay, this is the concept of if elif else statement execution. Okay, here I can give one example program, that is m1 equal to int of input double quotes inside the double quotes enter mark in first subject. Okay, the second value is int of input of enter mark in second subject. Okay, this is the printing statements of m1 and m2. Here I can calculate the value as average equal to m1 plus m2 divided by 2. Okay, here I can add the two values as m1 and M2, and I can divide it by 2 to calculate the average value of the both marks. Okay, here I can check the if condition as average greater than or equal to means greater than or equal to 80 means print the command as grade A. Again elif again another I can check another one value as average greater than or equal to 70 and average less than 80 means print the command as grade B. The third condition is elif. Elif means again I can check another one value average greater than or equal to 60 and average less than 70 means print the third command. The fourth part is elif average greater than or equal to 50 and average less than 60 means print the last command as grade C. If all the conditions, if above the four conditions are failed means, if all the conditions are false means, the else part will be executed as the command as grade E. Okay, mainly this kind of command can be used to check multiple conditions at the same time. Okay, check multiple conditions inside the program at the same time. But in the if statement we can check only one condition at a time. If else statement we can check only one condition at a time, but here we can check more than one condition at the same time. This is the advantage of this nested if elif else statement. Okay, these are the statements to be learned. Okay, this is the output of that above program. Enter mark in first subject is 34. Enter mark in second subject is I can give 78. The grade will be executed at as D. Okay, here the condition D is for D will be executed because this condition is true. Okay, again we are running we are compile that particular program means enter mark in first subject as 67 I can give means the output will not be executed because the condition is terminated, because this is the default, that is else part of that program. This is the output. Okay, these are the 3 important control statements in Python. Thank you students for watching this video. Okay.